Liberian girl, you know that you came and you changed my world, just like in the movies. And it's something, and it's something. I know who's you. I love you, Liberian girl, all the time. I love you.
You're cute, you single.
What kind of a sick joke is this? Who put you up to this?
What?
Was it Rebel?
No.
J Pound?
No.
Frenzy?
Nah.
Must have been too easy.
Nah.
What's a cute white girl like you doing chatting to a short black guy like me with glasses, huh? Coming over here looking like Joster and Auntie, looking all cute.
What's wrong with you? Yeah, you.
What?
You're just like all the other guys. All I wanted was a little bit of respect. What you want? You know I got it. What you need? You know I got it. All I'm asking is for a little respect. I ain't gonna do you wrong. Why you gone? I ain't gonna do you wrong, 'cause I don't wanna. All I'm asking is for a little respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Take care of DB.
Whoa. I was just joking. You know, I always get jacked for my iPod and my tweets and stuff like that.
Yeah,
so I just thought, no, seriously, girl. Seriously. Could you just sing me one more song, please? Because you are looking fine.
Alright.
What's up, everyone? I hope you enjoyed the episode. It was featuring the lovely and beautiful Dollar Bird, Kassy.
Bye.
You can catch her on SoundCloud and all of that kind of stuff. All the links will be in the description. But she's about to sing her own song. What's it called?
I don't know, it doesn't have a name.
It doesn't have a name yet. That's how new it is. So you lot are lucky.
Married to music, I guess.
Married to music. Kick it!
Life ain't the longest, I keep it honest. Know where I stand on the road, stay strongest. I got these feelings that find by me. Take control of my energy. No, I can't fake it, how happy you make me. Oh, to my love, music take me. Remember falling, the mic was calling. Sing my melody. It's my love story. I don't worry about you hurting me. And I know you won't up and leave. I'm in love with words and beats. Yes, I'm married to the music. And we go so well together. Chemistry like no other. Got friendship and we're lovers. Yes, I'm married to the music. Married to the music.
Yo! That's Dollar Bird! Hug for everyone! Yeah! Dollar Bird, everyone!